Hi, I'm Shandra Spear with the Assistive Work Technology Department. Thanks for joining me for some tech tips. Did you know that Microsoft Teams supports live captioning during your meetings? It's very easy to turn on, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so first I need to join my meeting. All right, I've got my meeting turned on already, which I found by going to my calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and check that my microphone is on because it's just me and one other person, and my camera is on so they can see me. Now I'm going to hit join now. All right, so here I am in the meeting with Michael, and you can see right here in the middle of your menu that pops up if you hover your mouse over the center of your screen, says more actions. To turn on the captions, click more actions, and then right up here, turn on live captions. Click that. Hi, Michael. How are you today?
I'm doing very good.
That's good to hear. I'm really excited about this meeting.
I'm very excited too.
And there you go. You can see that the captions are showing up immediately right here in the bottom of the screen. Thanks, and I hope that helps.